Assalamu alaikum and welcome all to the second part of Syngonium, where I will show you different ways to propagate Syngonium plant. But before that, let me answer the question which is asked by a viewer, that what type of the pot will be suitable to grow Syngonium. So dear viewer, you can grow Syngonium in any type and size of pot. It can be grown in terracotta or plastic pot. I am growing it in terracotta, but I will show you its growth in plastic pot also. See this. In fact, I propagated this from the same plant few days ago, and now you can see the new growth. Now we will talk about the propagation of Syngonium plant. There are two ways to propagate it, either in soil or in water. For soil propagation, you can use a cutting or you can grow it by a baby plant. I will dig out and propagate this baby plant for you for your clear understanding. Otherwise, I had no plans to remove it. But be careful while digging around this to avoid any root damage. As you can see, it was attached with mother plant through this, and these are the feeder roots. It has well developed aerial root system also, which is evident on this moss stick with every node. Okay, now we cannot propagate it through water as its roots are already used to of soil. So I will use a 3 to 4 inches pot to plant it in the soil. Just the roots need to be covered by the soil and center it in the pot. That's all. The new plant is ready for you. Now the second way of propagation is by water. For this, I will take a cutting. I will select a node with healthy roots. Before cutting, you should sterilize the tool with any antiseptic solution to avoid fungal infection. Here we go, and yes, you can see the roots are nicely developed even on the moss stick. See this, how strong they are. Now I will not remove this leaf because it was above the roots, so we just have 3 big leaves. You can see how fresh and big they are. Water should only cover the roots. I think it is more, so we will just reduce. Okay, I'll try to share the update of this plant in few days. Now I will water this plant through the moss stick. In fact, this will feed the aerial roots, and then rest of the water will run down through the moss stick into the soil. It's a very low maintenance plant and it's really motivating, especially for the beginners. I had a very good experience with this plant. Okay viewers, that's all about Syngonium. See you next time with another plant. Till then, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.